Curious about life as a forklift operator? Forklift operators are skilled professionals who navigate heavy machinery, moving and transporting materials, goods, and equipment efficiently in warehouses, factories, and distribution centers. Forklift operators excel in managing inventory, loading and unloading shipments, and supporting the logistics chain, ensuring smooth operations and timely deliveries. Forklift operators encompass a range of roles: generalists handling diverse tasks in the warehouse, reach truck operators navigating tight spaces, order pickers retrieving items from high storage, pallet jack operators moving goods, and dockyard operators handling heavy containers. Forklift operators take on crucial tasks, including efficient material handling, maintaining equipment, and collaborating with teams to meet production and distribution goals. Partnering with Randstad connects you to a wide network of top employers and exclusive job opportunities. Our tailored support and expertise empower you to find the perfect forklift operator position. Ready to embark on a rewarding journey as a forklift operator? Explore limitless possibilities and make your mark in this dynamic field.